Word families for our early learners, early readers. F Week, brought to you by AmSyn. Check us out on the web at americanschoolofelenglish.info. Let's dive right in. Today, we're going to do some and family words. Just a simple review. An, a, an, vowel a, consonant in, short vowel a sound a, short vowel in, consonant vowel in sound One more time. Short vowel a sound a, short consonant sound Put them together, you got an. You say it. Ready? Together. An. Now, let's do some words. Ready? Can. Can. Fan. Fan. Man. Man. Pan. Pan. Ran. Ran. Tan. Tan. Van. Van. Plan. Plan. Gan. Gan. Land. Land. Sand. Sand. Wan. Wan. Yan. Yan. Zan. Zan. Let's do that one more time. Ready? And. And. Ready? Can. Fan. Man. Pan. Ran. tan, van, plan, gan, land, sand, wan, yan, zan. Good job. Let's do some simple sentences now to encourage our pre-readers to read a little. Ready? 1. A can of beans. A can of beans. 2. I need a fan. It's hot. I need a fan. It's hot. 3. I need a pan to cook with. I need a pan to cook with. 4. I ran fast. I ran fast. 5. The ball is a tan color. The ball is a tan color. Ready? Let's do that one more time. A can of beans. Now you say it. 2. I need a fan. It's hot. Now you say it. 3. I need a pan to cook with. Now you say it. 4. I ran fast. Now you say it. 5. The ball is a tan color. Now you say it. 'Ready? Let's move on. 6. My dad drives a van. My dad drives a van. 7. I have plans to travel. I have plans to travel. 8. Gan is a dialect. Gan is a dialect. 9. The dog looks wan. The dog looks wan. Let's do that one more time. 6. My dad drives a van. Now you say it. 7. I have plans to travel. Now you say it. 8. Gan is a dialect. Now you say it. 9. The dog looks wan. Now you say it. Good job. And that concludes our word family and segment for today. Tune in next time for our at family segment. Thank you. This segment was brought to you by AMSIN. Like and subscribe.